Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? No, go ahead. No, go ahead. What day is today? What day is today? It's Sunday. It's Sunday. Are you in line? Are you in line? Yeah, I'm in line. Yeah, I'm in line. Do you speak Spanish? Do you speak Spanish? A little. A little. When do you get off work? When do you get off work? I get off work at 5 o'clock. I get off work at 5 o'clock. Where's the restroom? Where's the restroom? Over there. Over there. Are you doing okay? Are you doing okay? I'm fine, thanks. I'm fine, thanks. Can you make it by 5? Can you make it by 5? Yeah, I'll be right there. Yeah, I'll be right there. Anybody home? Anybody home? Yes, come on in. Yes, come on in. Anything to drink? Anything to drink? Just water, please. Just water, please. How was your day? How was your day? It was good. It was good. What's new? What's new? Not much. You? Not much. You? Am I dressed okay for this? Am I dressed okay for this? Yeah, you look great. Yeah, you look great. Have we met before? Have we met before? No, I don't think so. No, I don't think so. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Chicago. I'm from Chicago. How long have you lived here? How long have you lived here? I've been here for 2 years. I've been here for 2 years. Did she tell you about me? Did she tell you about me? Just the good parts. Just the good parts. How's the weather today? How's the weather today? It's hot today. It's hot today. What's the temperature? What's the temperature? It's 90 degrees. It's 90 degrees. Do you work out? Do you work out? Yes, I go to the gym. Yes, I go to the gym. Are you on a diet? Are you on a diet? Yes, I'm on a diet. Yes, I'm on a diet. Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat. Yes, I have a cat. What sports do you play? What sports do you play? Football is my favorite. Football is my favorite. Can you swim? Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Yes, I can swim. Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? No, I'm an only child. No, I'm an only child. Are you married? Are you married? No, I'm single. No, I'm single. Are you in a bad mood? Are you in a bad mood? No, not at all. No, not at all. Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Yes, everything's okay. Yes, everything's okay. Could I ask you a favor? Could I ask you a favor? Sure, what is it? Sure, what is it? May I use your pen? May I use your pen? Be my guest. Be my guest. Need some help? Need some help? No thanks, I'm good. No thanks, I'm good. May I use the bathroom? May I use the bathroom? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Should I get going? Should I get going? Okay, see you later. Okay, see you later. Are you looking for something? Are you looking for something? I'm just looking. I'm just looking. Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Sure, the fitting room is over there. Sure, the fitting room is over there. How does it fit? How does it fit? It fits perfectly. It fits perfectly. What is this made of? What is this made of? It is made of cotton. It is made of cotton. How late are you open? How late are you open? We close at 9. We close at 9. Anything else? Anything else? Nothing else. Nothing else. How much is the total? How much is the total? That comes to $22. That comes to $22. Could I have a receipt? Could I have a receipt? Here you are. Here you are. What's for dinner? What's for dinner? Pizza and spaghetti. Pizza and spaghetti. How often do you cook? How often do you cook? A few times a week. A few times a week. What are you cooking? What are you cooking? I'm making soup for dinner. I'm making soup for dinner. How does it taste? How does it taste? It tastes good. It tastes good. Want to grab dinner tonight? Want to grab dinner tonight? Sure, I'd love to. Sure, I'd love to. How often do you eat out? How often do you eat out? Not very often. Not very often. For here or to go? For here or to go? To go, please. To go, please. Do you enjoy spicy food? Do you enjoy spicy food? No, not really. No, not really. Can I take your plates? Can I take your plates? Yes, please. Yes, please. Hello, is Tom there? Hello, is Tom there? Speaking. Speaking. Can I leave a message for him? Can I leave a message for him? Sure, go ahead. Sure, go ahead. What time is it? What time is it? It's 3:30. It's 3:30. Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand? Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem. Do you mind if I sit here? Do you mind if I sit here? Not at all. Go ahead. Not at all. Go ahead. What are you up to? What are you up to? Nothing much. Nothing much. Would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee? No, thank you. No, thank you. How long will it take? How long will it take? About 10 minutes. About 10 minutes. Got any plans this weekend? Got any plans this weekend? Just relaxing at home. Just relaxing at home.